A helpful tip for this form is that for each subheading, the amount of space provided usually provides a good indication of how many entries will likely follow underneath. For example, there are going to be more entries in payments than receipts in the cash flow statement. For this page, you may find it helpful to sort through the cash transactions on the Task 1 page first and distinguish them as receipts or payments. By entering receipt or payment into the note space adjacent to the cash transaction on the Task 1 page, you can quickly scan through and complete the statement. If the club receives funds from another entity, it is a receipt. If the club pays funds to another entity, it is a payment. For example, receive subscriptions is a receipt because the club received funds from the members. On the other hand, hire of forest and clubroom is a payment because the club paid Auckland City Council to use the forest and clubroom. When we have sorted the cash transactions, we can then transfer them to the cash flow statement. After you've entered in all the transactions, you total the receipts and payments separately and enter the figures into the rightmost column for the appropriate row. Then subtract the payments total from the receipts total. This is the net increase or decrease in cash figure. If the receipts total is greater than the payments total, the change in cash will be positive. Otherwise, it will be negative. The opening bank balance figure comes from the additional information on the Task 1 page. It will not be in the cash transactions because it is not a transaction. Money did not change hands. It is simply a record of the balance at the beginning of the financial year. The closing bank balance will be the change in cash during the year plus the opening bank balance. If the change in cash is positive, it means the club received more funds than it paid. Otherwise, it means it paid more than it received.